$600 million years from now, the Earth will get so hot that all life will start to go extinct. This process continues to around 1.3 billion years, when the average global surface temperature will be around 140 degrees Celsius. That means all life, even microbial life, will go extinct at this time. However, humanity is actually quite lucky because we will never see the end of the universe. 5 billion years time, the Sun is going to start to expand as its supply of hydrogen runs out and is forced to convert the remaining hydrogen into helium in a process called nuclear fusion. When this happens, the Sun will expand 200 times its normal size. This means that Mercury, Venus, and possibly even Earth will all be destroyed by the Sun. However, even if Earth were to escape, it would be a damaged world. However, while this might be the end of humanity, it's not the end of the universe, because in trillions of years from now, star production will begin to decline and eventually cease. First, big stars like Canis Majoris that only live for millions of years before dying in a supernova explosion and then being converted into a neutron star or black hole will be the first to go. Eventually, much smaller stars, including stars like our own Sun, will go. Finally, small stars like the Alpha Centauri will be the last to go, and this could last trillions of years. After the last star has died, the universe will be predominantly made of black holes. But even then, black holes will start to evaporate because of something called Hawking radiation. After the last black holes evaporated, the universe will mostly be made of photons, and then eventually everything will cool down. The entire universe will cool down until it reaches absolute zero. 0 degrees Kelvin, minus 273 degrees Celsius. At this point, nothing can happen. Physicists call this entropy, and entropy is the amount of order in the universe. As the universe cools down, the entropy increases, and this increases the amount of disorder. Eventually, at some point in the future, the universe will completely cool down, and entropy will hit maximum. Nothing can happen anymore, no more energy can be transferred, the universe is dead. Fortunately for us though, the end of the universe will not happen for a googol years. What's a googol years? Well, googol years is 10 to the power of 100 years. That is 1 with 100 zeros next to it. The theory I just explained to you is called the heat death of the universe. However, there are other theories surrounding the universe. For example, the Big Rip, where everything just gets ripped apart because the universe is expanding faster than gravity can hold it back. Or the Big Bang theory, where the universe expands and then contracts, and then expands and contracts in an infinite cycle. So that's how the universe is going to end, basically. Cold, dark and lonely.